Hi everyone, welcome to this quick demo. Today we'll be using Exalate to synchronize issues bidirectionally between a Jira cloud system and a Topdesk instance out here. Now the way we've set up the use case is that when issues get created within a certain Jira project, those would automatically be picked up by Exalate and created as incidents on the Topdesk side. And then the Topdesk incident and the Jira issue remain bidirectionally syncing. Any updates on either end should automatically reflect on the other end. So to get started, we'll start the workflow by creating a Jira issue. So to start it off, we just have a bare bones issue created. Now, as I said, the automation is already in place. So what Exalate is doing right now is it's picking this up and creating the corresponding incident on the Topdesk side. Once it's successful, it would send back the number of the ticket it's created on the Topdesk side, and that gets populated as a label out here. So it's created 1217. You can actually visually get a link and the status out here as well. So let's just click on this link to see what it's created. Right, so that's the Topdesk incident that has been created. Let me just move it here for clarity. Right, what happens from here on in? So let's say we are checking out what's happening here and the category and subcategory are kind of missing. So let's make an internal note first of all. So let's say we have an internal note saying, why is there no category? People are talking amongst themselves, and then they eventually ask the client, right, so what's happened now is that we've made a couple of comments on the incident, right? One is kind of an internal note invisible to caller, so this should not go across to the Jira side, and the public one should hopefully go over. So let's take a look at what's happening on the Jira end. Okay, we'll give it a few seconds. Okay, cool. So we got a comment, can you populate the category? Right, so let's actually populate the category. Let's populate it as IT. So what's happening on their side is that the category and the subcategory were not populated, and that's what basically we were asking, right? So let's do a quick refresh and see what we get to. Right, so the category is now populated, all good. So let's say they mark the ticket as in progress, like they're working on it. And let's say we let the client know as well. Right, again, and this bidirectional flow will continue, right? So I've changed the status to in progress, and we've added a comment to the ticket, right? So let's reply for it from the Jira side. Right, so our status has already changed to in progress, and the comment should be out here as well. Cool, so they want some details of what they want us to do. Right, so let's add a quick attachment. Right, so we added an attachment and obviously added a comment. So again, the usual flow follows, right? And this time, let's say we'll change the priority to highest as well. Now, the changes that I expect to happen on Topdesk are obviously you'll get the comment, you'll get the attachment, but you should also get the priority change from P3 to a P1 probably. We'll see. Right, so the priority changed to P1 because we marked it as highest on the Jira side. We got the attachment over and obviously a comment, right? And now let's close this. And let's say we attach something from this side as the finished product. Cool, and we save it. Right, so that should kind of close the flow. So the diagram has been prepared. It's created and it's been sent out. Now, what should happen on the Jira end is obviously, you'll get the attachment and you'll get the comment confirming that all this has been completed now. Right, so we got our attachment there. Cool. And we got the comment, and let's close this out now. And to do that, we'll just mark it as done. And again, because the workflows are synchronized, this should automatically update the Topdesk side, and the issue should get closed. So basically, that's like an end-to-end flow of how and what an integration could look like. A lot of stuff in there is customizable, of course, but yeah, that's what it is. So we got the comment over, and the issue got marked as completed. So hopefully you get some ideas around how you can use Exalate to kind of synchronize your workflows between Topdesk and Jira. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.